Across the scorching African savanna, a massive Cape buffalo is enduring absolute agony. Thousands of blood-sucking ticks have covered its body, clustered around its ears, eyes, and deep skin folds. Every second is miserable. It rolls in the mud and rubs against trees, but the parasites refuse to let go. Desperate for relief, the buffalo walks into a nearby river. As the cool water rises, an incredible transformation begins. Beneath the surface, hundreds of tiny freshwater swarmfish swarm around the giant buffalo. Moving like a living carpet, they carefully nibble ticks and parasites off the buffalo's belly and legs. Then the true aerial specialists arrive. Red-billed oxpeckers land directly on the buffalo's back and horns. With surgical precision, their sharp beaks probe deep into the ear folds and neck wrinkles, plucking away ticks one by one. Above and below the surface, two completely different species unite to perform a life-saving cleanup operation. But this famous partnership holds a dark secret. While oxpeckers rid the host of parasites, they are also attracted to red blood. If a buffalo has an open wound, the oxpecker will intentionally keep the cut open, pecking at it to drink the fresh blood. To the buffalo, the unbearable itch of thousands of ticks is far worse than a minor wound, making this dangerous alliance a risk worth taking. In the wild, survival isn't always about brutal conflicts. Sometimes it relies on complex, bizarre partnerships, where the line between savior and parasite is razor thin.